Okay, guys, ever wanted a persuasive way to sell customers on why your collection is worth exploring, paired with a strong lifestyle image? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today, we're adding this crafted lifestyle section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Image with Text number 9. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Crafted Lifestyle, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here lets you choose between 3 different layouts. I'll go with the first one. Below that is the section image, where you can add something that builds trust with your customers. Right below that, you'll find height settings for mobile and desktop, along with corner radius too. After that comes the main heading, which I'll replace with App Link in Description, and below that, the font style, which I'll switch to Poppins, just like I do with every section. Scrolling down a bit, you'll also find the description text, and I'll change its font style to Poppins as well. Next comes the checklist settings. I'll just convert the checkmark colors to green here, and you can also increase or decrease their size. After that comes the button settings, things like text, background color, hover color, and text hover color, which I'll adjust based on my own preference. Now let's scroll down and change the section's colors too. I'll switch this to white so the black text and green check marks become much more visible. Scrolling further, at the very end, you'll find this section's overall padding and margin, which I'll also adjust based on my own preference. After all that, there's one more thing left, the checkmark list itself. Simply close this, choose any checklist item, and change its heading to whatever you want to display there. After all that effort, just hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.